back to Uncle Brent's shed. Today we fixed the door lock on the old Falcon. The door catch, sorry. It's not locking, so we'll throw some second-hand parts at it and get it sorted. Cheers. So the old AU, the car wouldn't lock anymore with the key. You'd try to, the button, you'd push the button and the horn would beep real quick 3 times. And normally that's one of your doors not locking. Already removed the door lock or catch out and just about to pull it apart. So here we have the door catch out of the AU. And the problem is always in here. It's that little camshaft thing. See how it's broken? You don't have to use the same door catch. This is actually a left-hand rear one out of a BA Falcon. And this is the driver's door out of the AU. These 4 screws out of here. I'm just throwing this video together quickly because I haven't done anything for only 3 weeks. And I have to fix this because my lad's going to town and I need to be able to lock the car. Same. So this one is not broken. Not yet anyway. So they're basically the same. This is the AU front door. That's BA rear door. Just wangle that inside of there. There's a little bit of emission again. Just had to make sure that the spring wasn't caught up on the end there and there. It's ready to go back in the door. Son's been here, sticking his stickers everywhere. Just plug that back in so I can test it. It's working now. It's not making that terrible grinding noise. I've done a similar job on a Ford Territory. The right-hand rear door wasn't locking and I used a right-hand rear part from a BA sedan. So you don't need to change the whole locking mechanism, it's just that little tiny plastic shaft in there. Screwdriver, just lock that. Simulate the door being shut. Lock it again. Stay locked and all the other doors lock. Unlock. Push the door handle down. That all works. Okay, so I ran out of time and daylight, so it's the next day. Managed to get the lock all back together. Working now. You can just see it inside there. So that was just a quick video, something different. I only made it because I had to fix the car, so hope someone learned something from that.